The personal statement is like the bloodline for actually getting admitted into a graduate school. And when I mean a graduate school, I mean both master's degree and PhD. So in this video, I am actually going to talk about that very one outstanding ingredient that has to be in your personal statement if you truly want to be admitted, if you truly want to get funded. So stay with me as I talk about that very one ingredient and how to go about it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mfoniso, your favorite person. Okay, so let's dive in. So you know that before you actually apply for graduate school in this sense is both master's degree and PhD. Before you actually apply for graduate school, you already have your checklist of things that you have. You know, your result is already there. You know, you've met the eligibility requirements. You know, maybe you have not yet got funding, but you hope to get funding. However, one outstanding thing that actually demarcates you from other people is always your personal statement, because that is where you write your story. That is where you tell you show yourself to the people that want to actually admit you. The personal statement is so important such that people are now having, not like they are now having, they have been having, folks are now having a business and now running a business whereby you contract them to write a personal statement for you, because you don't know the things that should be included in a personal statement, or you cannot think about the things that should be included in a personal statement. But one thing I want to let you know that it is your story that you're going to write there. So when you contract a personal statement for somebody else to write it for you, you are indirectly harming yourself, because eventually when you get into your graduate school of studies, so many things will be required of you in terms of writing. And if you don't know how to write starting from your personal statement, it will be a big problem. So deciphering exactly what is required for graduate school is the reason why I am doing this. So amongst every other thing that you are going to put in your personal statement, you have to talk about the faculty that you are going for. Now, for master's degree, it is different. And for PhD program, it's even more different, because talking about the graduate program is where you mention exactly your area of interest, your area of focus, your curiosity, where exactly you want to take up your research. Because if there is no specificity in that area in that school, what are you applying for? So that's when you mention the faculty, maybe 2 or 3 professors that are in that faculty, and they could be people that you actually want to work with because you like the work they are doing, you've read their research paper and everything. So you must be very intentional in mentioning the faculty. For example, I am doing a master's degree in University of Warwick, and there are several other departments inside Center of Interdisciplinary Methodologies. I'm majoring in big data and digital features. The other people that are majoring in data visualization, the other people that are majoring in digital media, the other people that are majoring in digital methods and everything. So if you actually want to do that, you have to pick point, where do you want digital big data, or digital media, or digital cultures, or digital methods, and all of those. What exactly do you want? So you have to talk about it specifically, where you are going to and why you want to go there. So this is where you connect your storyline from when you were born, what you studied, your research interests, your work experiences, and everything you've done. This is where it entirely encapsulates everything and it makes sense for you. So in my master's degree, I talked about why I want big data and digital features. I talked about the University of Warwick, and I also talked about why I choose the University of Warwick. And I have already made up my mind that because of the various requests I've made for people to see my personal statement, I will do another video within the week, before the week runs out, and I'm going to post it on my channel on the personal statement that got me admission into University of Warwick, also got me admission to University of Oxford. Yes, I applied to University of Oxford because I wanted to do an MBA at University of Oxford, and I wanted to apply for late law scholarship. If you have not heard about it, I think this is a good opportunity for you to hear about it. So that personal statement got me admission to University of Oxford. It also got me admission into University of Warwick. You know, it's not easy to get admission into University of Oxford MBA. It's like a tussle and a war, but I got it. And I'm going to share my personal statement and what was entailed in that personal statement, and why you should follow those things I wrote in my personal statement that actually got me the admission. So yeah, this was actually a short video. Till I see you next time, stay blessed and have a great life. Because of that, if you have not subscribed to my channel or hit the notification bell, I think this is actually the right time, so that when I post that video, you'll be notified of the personal statement, and you stand a greater chance to actually not just win a scholarship but have an unconditional admission. Again, till I see you next time, really stay blessed and have a great life.